show hell. Drinking the water, spell your stomach feeling swell. Dip into the well, deep dive in it. Flow straight from the source, I get live with it. Paint of colors within your mind, solid rhythm of rhyme, so you want it in the times. Man, tap for the divine, been tasked with living time. Be taxing living minds, will raps and melodies two stacked with heavy minds. Boom, I spell doom to any scene. My emotions be sick, consumed promethazine. If you're weak in the knees, assume positioning. I zoom into your dreams, it's known as your reckoning. I never use this voice to control, but touching every old and young soul with these cuts just like a Tory Hanzo did. And you know I never stop till I'm done, so kid. I never use this voice to control, but touching every old and young soul with these cuts just like a Tory Hanzo did. And you know I never stop. Some people would doubt and some folk would believe, but some would need a trial or some to let me be. These slums is getting wild, young sons will live and bleed. For some they dream about, these crones will set them free. I've sung full of the feast, 2 sons I give them heat. I'm hella done, too stunned to even speak. Sit down, come down and take a seat. 2 down, 2 brown to be elite. New sound, come drown just from a leak. Who now, you clowns will hella see. Viral, I got their minds in spirals. I will spit fire like I'm Spyro. Psychos can't decipher my high road. I go dummy missiles in my silo. I roll deep, my drone striking cycles. Move wide deep, I know I'm your idol. I never use his voice to control, but I'm touching every old and young soul with these cuts just like a Tory Hanzo did. And you know I never stop till I'm done, so kid. I never use his voice to control, but I'm touching every old and young soul with these cuts just like a Tory Hanzo did. And you know I never stop.
Made I melody, eloquence and effigy. Maybe it's the melody, maybe it's the elements of executing everything that ever speak on any beat I ever reach. I'm Everest, I never rest. You never test the lion in his home, but I'ma let your pride rock. Be happy with that scar when you realize you're just livestock. Thank Vinny for the bar in my city for my tribe, huh? Really think you live, huh? You really think you rhyme, huh? We can make the wave turn right against your tight, huh? Serving with Titus turn the kids, but I like ya. You earned a diss, guess I'm murderous when I write, huh? Certain this beat me cerebus from these lines, huh? Gaida, high abuse of music / illusions that you die from. Flow is Mansa Musa, but you view it as Al-Qaeda. Manson in medulla, here goes 2 to get the Chiron. Sayonara, sign off. Ugh.
I never use his voice to control, but I'm touching every old and young soul with these cuts just like a Tory Hanzo did. And you know I never stop till I'm done, so kid. I never use his voice to